Oh no, the way they do me now, I don't understand though, because if they do me like say they scratch me, how come they make that thing they hungry me? Like say I want to do something, but I don't know.
Oh yeah, come, make I know why they scratch you.
Oh I know. You know say I be virgin. I don't want make you put that thing inside.
I go do am again.
Okay, this one way they hold me like this. Let's say you don't hungry you.
Come first.
Okay, you want? Okay, you want to?
Come, make I know why they scratch you.
Okay, you want to? Okay, let's say you don't hungry you.
Come.
Somebody they hold my waist. Let's say, okay, I be virgin. I don't make this virgin me. Okay, you know say I never spoil. I beg. Okay, I beg.
Come. Dining is set for what to happen.
Frank.
See, I don't understand this dining is set that you've been singing it like song. Me shouting my names, dining. So because I fought, we almost fought yesterday for you to make food. That's why you decided to make this one. And I will not have rest of mine because you decided to cook today. After how many years? Huh? Look, I've told you this thing. I don't want this for myself. I'm of age that relationship that I have to venture in must lead to marriage. It's not just relationship for relationship's sake. Don't tell me, allow me to talk. Oh. Let me just say my mind because in fact, I am tired. That year to year, you will never have time for your man.
Maybe I am adjusting.
Don't tell me any adjust. Is it today? How many times have you told me you're adjusting? You never ever make out time to make food. It's traveling from one place to another. Your job this, your job that, your job this, your job. No time to spend with your man.
But baby, you also travel too.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Me and you, we are now doing debates. No, accurate timekeeper now. That's what we are doing. So if I travel, you also travel. So tomorrow when we have kids, we just travel and leave the kids out. Is that what you want for yourself?
My love,
I'm sorry.
Well, if it's what you want for yourself, me, I don't want that for myself. I want a healthy relationship that my woman will care, my woman will know that she has responsibility. So please, if this is what you call relationship, I am done.
Baby, I'm sorry.
I am being honest, I am done. I cannot continue like this.
I'll adjust.
Please.
I'm adjusting.
Please.
No, baby, I'm sorry. But I'm adjusting, I promise.
You can always eat your cake and have it. You can never be the winner all the time. You can fool me so many times, but a question of time, the truth will come to light, yeah. No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the first one, one day you go cast. Yeah. One day you go cast. Shebi you know say, guy man can never guy yo. You fit chop me once or twice, but last you go collect. No take love they play. Say I love you. Don't me say I be mugu. Yeah. No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the first one, one day you go cast. Yeah. One day you go cast. Yeah. One day you go cast.
Hello, George. You're here? Okay, all right. Good. Boy, how far now?
I'm alright, man. The finest man in town.
You don't start. How you doing now? What's up?
I do alright.
Yeah, you're welcome.
How you be?
Fine. How far?
I do.
You want anything? You sabi your road to the kitchen now. If you want anything, fridge, everything there. That's it.
I've been trying to offer me something. I think.
Huh?
Besides, I've been my way to the kitchen.
Which one do you offer you something? I beg, go kitchen, go collect something. Go fridge, anything you see here.
Are we not going to the place again?
Oh yes, we are. Now to just get ready. Have you submitted the file?
Yes. I'll do it this morning.
Okay. Let me just get ready then. Okay. Just make yourself comfortable, okay?
How about the woman now?
The woman where you give me a gift. Perfect. This guy. Adamu? Adamu? Come, who are you?
I find number 2, Moses Street.
Who are you first? That's my question. What are you doing?
I come from village. I know get where they find. I don't answer the permission.
So when they say who are you don't know, you wait and answer. Why are you hitting the gate like that?
No verse.
It's not no verse. Who are you? It's a question. Who are you?
I just come from village.
You just come from village and so what? The thing is, everywhere you see, you just hit on the gate. Are you out of your mind? I don't think I'm even saying who is that. You're not even talking. And you're still hitting the gate. Huh? Just leave here first.
I be the find number 2 Moses.
Leave here. Leave here. Number 2, which Moses? Not only Moses, Abraham. Leave here and don't come. What kind of rubbish? I'll stone you this phone. Adamu? Where's this boy? Adamu? Okay.
You can always eat your cake and have it. You can never be the winner all the time. You can fool me so many times, but a question of time, the truth will come to light. No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the fast one. One day go cast. No matter how long you try to play the fast one. One day go cast.
Hello. Hello. Are you okay? Yesterday when I passed, I saw you here. And again you're here. It means you slept here. Are you fine? Okay, you know what? That's my house over there. My house is not far, just here. Just come into the car. Let's go there. Okay? Okay. Just come. You'll be fine, okay?
One day go cast. One day go cast.
Easy. Take it easy. You're welcome to my place. This is a small place I manage. My little place. I live alone. This is where you stay with me. Yes. You feel comfortable. Yes. So, before you sort yourself. It's okay. No, it's fine. No, sit up.
I will stay in the bed if I sit down.
You're a funny girl. Sit down. No, stand up.
I don't want to stay in the bed.
No,
I beg.
you won't stay in the
I
bed.
beg, I beg.
No, this is your place too. You feel very free.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? Just relax.
Okay.
Let me go and get you something to eat. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Sit.
I will sit.
Sit. Let me get you something to eat, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's that? Molly. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom. How handsome you're looking.
I bet.
You're chopping up. See my big brother now.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
I told you I was coming on Tuesday.
Oh, it's today Tuesday.
You see? And you forget.
It's in my name. You're welcome, man.
Thank you.
See my smally.
Why not be a gentleman and carry my bag now?
Come on, go inside and keep your bag. Smally, you never change.
You like the food?
Not bad. It's not you again.
The best cook in the house.
The last baby of the house.
Let me follow you and enjoy small because you've been eating your money alone. You're finishing all your money. That's why I came.
So you're here to join me. Oh yeah.
That's what I'm doing. Use the plantain, everything.
So yeah, that's true. You did not add plantain. I thought we had one.
Sorry, I finished it.
I don't understand. You fried and finished it.
Yes, you've been eating it only you now. That's why I now say let me eat. Let me fat up small.
Okay. So you don't. Oh, God.
Sorry.
Can you imagine? You ate the whole plantain.
Yes.
Without minding that I will eat.
I'm sorry now.
It's okay. That's enough. That's enough. Table manners.
Table manners aside, there's something I want to ask you. How is Julie, our wife? How is Julie now?
We're no longer together.
Why? When? What happened?
Well, such is life. We're no longer together. That's it.
No, we have to be together. That you be taking care of me when you marry her. That's why I'm calling her our wife. You're not saying anything.
Table manners. That's enough.
Give me it.
You like the food?
This was sweet die.
I'm happy you're enjoying it. You like it, right?
I love her. I bet. What do you think, Kuka?
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. And then this is what we have.
Yeah. Sweet die.
So, tell me.
I bet not so sorry. My chicken baby so.
You can eat it.
Yeah.
You can bite.
I think cut me.
Bite. It's for you. Everything is for you.
I'm not just.
So tell me, do you have a boyfriend in your village, you people's village?
I don't get a boyfriend though.
You don't have a boyfriend. Why?
Who don't chop better food they get boyfriend?
But me, I have. Yeah. And I love him very much. It's everything I want in a man.
Hey, yeah. I feel cut me.
Of course. You like it, right?
Hey! Okotoriba.
You're enjoying yourself, Abby?
I let him enjoy.
You know it's good to have a boyfriend, right? So that he'll take care of you, you know?
I don't know that one. No.
Okay. Just eat.
This one a big crayfish.
Eat it. Easy. Take it easy.
You want to sleep?
I'm a bit worried.
It's worried. What happened?
It's you.
Me?
Yes.
What about me?
I'm wondering why you chose to stay away from the girl that loves you so much. Just because you feel she won't take care of the kids. Because she's working when you finally marries her.
I don't understand. Is it not enough reason for me to stay away from her?
No, I feel you two can work out things for yourself. Yes, because I don't want a situation whereby you fall into wrong hands. And I'm just feeling for you. If I travel back now, who is going to do the domestic chores and who is going to take care of you emotionally?
My big baby. Well, don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Okay? I'm my survivor. Remember, Father taught us how to survive even without them. So I can survive.
Are you sure?
Yes, why not? Of course, I can. It's better off than always being angry. I know I'm gonna be lonely somehow, but at least I'll have peace of mind.
If you say so. Problem.
I'll be fine. Okay.
Just wanted to be happy.
Welcome. Thank you. How are you?
I'm okay.
Are you okay? Have you eaten?
You've
You've eaten, right?
Yes.
Guess what? I bought something for you.
For me? He. For me?
Yes, for you. That's not all.
It still remains. You buy me.
It's okay. Don't faint. I know you're so dramatic. Don't faint. But I don't know if it's your size.
He will size me.
If it's not your size, we'll go and change
You
it.
know, change what you know. You know what change am. If you don't enter me and knock am like that.
No. Here is the city. You can change it.
No, I'll put paper. I'll put pad inside. If you don't size me, I'll just manage am.
No, collect it. I'll change it.
Yes,
if it's not your size.
No, I'm not fit take that
And
kind of
this
risk. You buy me this one? Where I want wear and go now?
You see the way you're dressing, eh?
Eh.
It's too... You know you're in the city. You need to dress like city people. Don't you like the way I'm dressing? Don't you like the way you see me?
I like them.
So you dress like that too. And then this one.
Yay.
It's for you.
Yay. Yay.
Do you like it?
Spaghetti hand.
Oh, it's going to look very beautiful on you.
I don't know that will cry.
No, don't cry.
My God go bless you.
Amen.
Anyway, bring the money. My God go multiply the money 100 times. My God not go make you hungry.
Amen. You
Ah.
like them, right?
I love them.
Okay.
Oh. Thank you. Hey.
The ball is in your court, and everything has been given to you. Everything has been given to you. So do your thing and do it well. Right? And you have yourself to smile forever. Good. Good.
unfortunate that we met on the wrong notes. You see, that is not who I am. Okay, but in life we learn lessons. That's part of the things that you're going to see when you're heading to the Zen. Anyway, that's by the way. I am a very simple person, you know. All I want you to do in this house is chores. Clean up the house, make sure it's sparkling clean. Do the dishes, my laundry, my dirty clothes, and of course, preparing something for me to. I heard because my friend said a whole lot about you. As a matter of fact, he spoke highly of you. You know how to cook, you know how to do all of that. So I presume you know how to cook.
Yes.
Yeah, so making sure I eat at the right time, doing what you're asked to do at the right time, knowing when to do it, and doing it well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't wait for me to tell you, okay, this is what you're supposed to do when you know it's part of your job.
Yes.
You know, so when you're doing those things accordingly, I don't see why we should fall out. Okay?
No.
Yeah, so that's it. You know, because I believe cleanliness is next to godliness. So make sure my environment is clean, and of course.
Okay, you don't get any problem. I swear to God, you don't get any problem. Because this, you see this thing where they talk so, I sabi am. In fact, they come with my village, say Jack of all trade. The reason why we both bring that name, Jack of all trade, because now me be Jack. Because the Oyibo comes to say, this girl, you sabi work, oh, you dey work, oga dey multitask. As I tell like this, so I feel they wash clothes, I go dey cook. Okay. Yes, as I dey cook, so oga, I dey sweep. Before you even turn your back, I don't finish everything, I don't clear them, so you don't get any worry. I be the right person for the job. You don't get any worry, oga. I go handle everything. Okay, if you even want to make as this house there, so make them move this whole house, carry everything, go another location. Oga, sabi.
No, he hasn't got into that. No one is moving shit out of here. Anyway, that's all.
Yes, sir.
That's all I think I need you for. So, then again, I don't like odor. Because as you're standing there now, I'm perceiving it's oozing out. I don't know if it's coming from your sacrificial bag or it's coming from your dress, but I know everything is not all right here. So, having said that, I want you to always keep yourself clean. You know, use deodorant. If you don't have, I can get you one. Okay? So let's assume that you're just coming. So I'll just pardon this thing I'm perceiving now. As time goes on, I believe you already know now, yeah? Okay, so that's it. Now, if you walk straight down, the walkway down, there's a room by your right. That is your room. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
I need to change this sacrificial bag, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I passed you there.
The room by the right. Thank you, sir.
Please just change that clothes you're wearing now, eh?
Yes, sir.
so many times, but a question of time, the truth will come to light, No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play.
A man can be so mean. But on a more serious note, girlfriend, I didn't think Frank can be like this. I mean, after all you guys have been through together, I just pushed you away like that, like nothing happened.
Please.
After all you've done for him.
Please, enough for Frank. He just wanted space and I gave it to him.
Did you just say space?
Yes, he wanted space.
Are you normal? Are you sure you're normal? What kind of yeye space is that? Eh? Look, I don't know if you haven't seen the handwriting on the wall, but there is a girl who is warming Frank's bed. Because that was the only reason that explains why he just woke up one morning and called it
No,
a quit.
just hold it there. I know my man. He can't cheat. In fact, he doesn't even have time for women. He's so busy with whatever he's doing that he does not cheat.
Love
I know Frank
fake
so
love
well.
has eaten deep into that tiny brain of yours. That is the reason you are spilling this rubbish, this nonsense. You better wake up from your dogmatic slumber and go get your man.
No.
Otherwise,
No, I don't think Frank
you'll
is...
cry and I
no.
won't be there to clean your tears.
Frank cannot cheat on me.
Okay.
I know him so well. He's my man.
Alright.
And he can't cheat.
I rest my case.
He can't cheat. Oh. Why?
Who is that?
Sorry, sir. Mommy.
Now you do, why you no knock? Why they peep?
I don't know what's on you. I just dey pick make I confirm. I don't know whether you dey sleep, so I no wan just enter and make you converse for me.
No they peep like that now. If you want something, you knock.
Okay, sir. No way, sir.
What's happening?
Oga, I just come check whether you dey okay, whether your body dey alright, whether you dey okay. And I come confirm.
I do okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Oga, I been no vessel. I just dey think. I don't know whether you will need to drink anything when to make your body take calm down. You know, because you get as the weather be now. I don't know if you want anything you want to drink.
I don't want anything. Or maybe if you just give me juice and food.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I will bring juice. I will bring another. Alright? I did at your service.
Last, you go collect. No take love, they play the first one.
Okay. I don't wash that thing well. I can't even spray perfume, put inside, make it for the scent.
What do you wash?
Okay. Now this thing I wash. Oh no, the way they do me now, I don't understand though, because if they do me like say they scratch me. How come they make that thing they hungry me? Like say I won't do something, but I don't know.
Oh yeah, come, make I know why they scratch you.
Oh I know. You know say I be virgin. I don't want make you put that thing inside.
I go do am again.
Okay, this one way they hold me like this. Let's say you don't hungry you.
Come first.
Okay, you won't. Okay, you won't do.
Come, make I know why they scratch you.
Okay, you won't do. Okay, let's say you don't hungry you. Come. Some way they hold my waist. Let's say, okay, I be virgin. I don't make this virgin me. Okay, you know say I never spoil. I beg. Okay, I beg.
Come.
God don't disvirgin me. Hey! Oh, God don't disvirgin me. Oh, God, why now? Oh, God, you don't disvirgin me. Oh, God, why now? Why you gonna do me like this now? Oh, God. Oh, God, wake up, Jerry, wake up. Oh, God, wake up. You don't disvirgin me. I don't see them with the pain. I don't pain me. Oh!
Reduce your voice.
Okay, you don't disvirgin me. Somebody can reduce my voice. You don't disvirgin me. You carry your big thing. You don't pain me.
Close your mouth. You know, say my window. People, what did they do you?
Okay, you don't pain me. I don't need to close my mouth. You don't disvirgin me.
Stop this the way they talk. You know they tie your close your mouth.
I'm going to pain me.
That's basically what it is. But
I'm telling you.
me self, I don't believe say the guy will just come like that, come because you know all these things you get procedure now.
What the guy just they do like say MBD.
But you know, say when the whole thing started, I told you. I think say this kind of thing I don't see I'm well.
You said this. I never believed you.
But you thought I was just saying it. That's really.
I was just surprised.
How far?
I'm doing fine.
You do okay? You sure? It seemed be that too.
Now waiting be that.
The
waiting be
Because-
that. You happen now. See they wait till they talk.
Oh, okay. Guy, you be guy now. You know what's up now. Everything man they talk. Hey. Oh, come on, body, yo. See that?
She walks like that.
Don't walk. You don't trust me. Wait.
You a bad dog.
Nobody teach me walk. Why you repeat?
Oh man, I see day like this. Come play say come there hungry me.
What's the hungry? You don't forget where you are. See your guy there.
No worry. No worry, no. Don't go.
Don't go. So you gonna come?
Man collect them.
I don't collect it. It's if I flop that thing for that. Which one comes? I can't see you. I go come.
Hey, I know now.
You know the tire, waiting.
now.
Don't kill me. If it's too spread, now if it's too wide, you're not saying go no.
Don't worry, just run and show.
Alright for you. Which style you want?
Don't worry.
Which style?
Just put it there.
Go past the hospital. Wait. You see that film we watched yesterday? I like him very well.
Why you like him?
That part where they do love. That film. Hey, the way they get to they hold the guy. That gets to spoil.
Tell the whole with him.
I don't know.
You never know what it is.
God, I don't want you to hold me. You know, so you said they do that kind of bad things.
This is my bad thing. Eh? Don't say you never spoil.
No, spoil care. I don't spoil. I still be
waiting.
I still be virgin, even though say you don't already go scatter that place.
But shut up. You know they get filter from out. What do they talk? Eh? You say I don't go scatter there.
Oh God, leave me, not spoil me, oh! I better not spoil me. I better not leave me as I did. I beg.
It's just say you don't go spoil like this.
What's going on here? What is happening? What is going on here?
Wait. What are you doing here? Anna, how did you get in here?
Huh? Excuse you. I should be asking you. What is she doing here? And you, what are you doing here?
My man, they ask you a question. You know I'm going to answer. You don't watch. Say, what am I doing? We're there for English classroom. No, we're there for lecture class. Eh? Who you ask question? Man, just say, yeah, just relax. You know the dream, na reality they see so. If you don't agree, say you don't agree, you know your problem in life. You cannot say, well, show your eyes. You don't enter.
You shut up. Everything not talk. What's your problem? Talk.
Okay.
Please, how did you come in here? What was the...
Answer. Baby, what is this? What is she doing here?
See, they call her baby. Wow, that's not too much like this one. What's my... See, where you go? Oh, you want to? You want to? Come join us!
Julie! Babe, what is it? Babe, what happened? I mean, the way you sounded over the phone seemed really serious. What happened?
Frank.
Frank? What is it with Frank?
I caught him in bed with the girl.
It's okay.
You can always eat your cake and have it. You can never be the winner all the time. You can fool me so many times.
You again? Hey, you know they tired? No. What you can't come my house?
Mama, is this you? Nani, I needed to be sure I was not dreaming.
You know the dream, Claire. Nani be this. Na reality, oh. You know, you the dream.
Oma, what have I done to you? I fed you. I gave you shelter. I fed you.
You don't finish.
Where did I go wrong? What have I done that you snatched my man from me?
Hold on, because I dare you go tell me first. Snatch what? Snatch what's in now? Then a snatch man. No man, I was in the snatch. Now ballot boss. Eh? I be hold on there. Mind yourself for respect your old age. You be ex, me I be present, I be the real girlfriend. So maybe just know what they do. They mind your mouth. They thought say you feed me, you close me, Now you first for do am. If you feed me, what's gonna happen? I beg, just hold on there. Hold on there. My will not clear you now. Everything that happens, I know. I know every movement. I haven't been no sense saying I be the day before we meet. Yeah, it shock you. Okay. Release the shock. What they do like this? Stand. Collect them. Now woman you be now. I know everything, so just make you just know the one you just say you feel big. I know that's it. Now my movements, and my move I can't do. And I go do them. You get the point? But now because I like you, I go give you some kind lecture. Sure you get it for the book and Bible. Me take right hand. You don't get that. I will say help you. So open your ear, make it I want to lecture you. Open your well, because now you're supposed to pay me now, but I won't do it for free. You don't pay me more than free. I won't say do them. Hey God, you are not that, yeah. Anyways, collect them. If you want me to your next man, I don't say this one where you did now. This one on my own. I don't collect them. This one now, oh nah. You say my tongue, oh nah. You don't go. So your next man, your next boyfriend, you go collect next. If you now want begin the wrong things, for bedmatics. You don't say for if you now want do the thing, hold your hand well. Because you see men like they like head. So if you want give her the head like this, you go hold the microphone. When you hold the microphone, you spread your leg. You get the point? Then you do like this. You don't go to do a hard though, like small. You can do like you can hold the microphone. Because if you do all and tight, you go tear. I'm gonna say if he beats you, now that one, I don't teach you that one no. So when you don't do that part, but you see men they like head. It's so sweet to them. No wahala. So when you don't finish that part, you get one style when they rain for village that time they call 69. That's 69. When it turn, you turn go the other side. In a go de, you know, in a go de robo. Then in a go do scissors style. They don't want sweet pass now the doggy. That doggy owner like this, you go bend you go hug the waist like this, you go do like this. You go spread your leg. You're gonna do like this. But see, if your waist stiff, not be my fault too. If you use oil, say, massage the waist well. You hook up, ukulele. Oh, too spoiled. Hey God, too spoiled. So when you do this finish, you call a collector. You go bend down. You're gonna give you. My sister, I mean, no offense. You see, all these Jesus does give you now. You want way sweet pass where you go take carry go house. Now the head. See that head part? I will see men like pass because that gender, hey, they too like head. Head too sweet them. But you know this kind of thing. They don't they see you now like this. If you now they give a head, he won't come give you back. And your team, because not the reason your matter. Your team, if you know, if you not clean, if you're there to be now. I mean you slap. Huh? I mean you slap. Say me say what now?
Smalley? Smalley, how you doing now?
I'm fine.
You don't even tell person say they come.
I thought I should come and pay you a surprise visit.
See your surprise visit. What's she doing? Where is she?
Hey, Amanda. How? When? What are you doing here?
That's not be Amanda, not be Amanda.
Like, how did you get into my brother's house?
Who, Amanda? What she do?
You're pretending. You want to pretend as if you don't know yourself again. Eh? You think I've forgotten how you dealt with Sandra and collected her boyfriend. So that one is not enough for you. How you collected Chief. You want to come and destroy my brother. It will not work. Like me, Oge, cannot be in this house and you, Onosho like you, will come and reap where you did not sow. Gold digger. It will not happen. It can never happen.
It can never happen.
See, my dear.
That Amanda must be evil.
You are leaving this house. In fact, this minute,
Yes,
you're leaving.
It cannot be. Amanda is evil.
Brother, that girl is not who you think she is. She has been sent to destroy homes. She has to leave at once. I don't even know where you met her.
That girl has been the source of my happiness lately. That girl is the reason I'm still happy. She makes me laugh. As a matter of fact, who knows if I'll have high BP, if not for that girl. Now, having said that, I do not want you to disregard her, discredit her, or say negative things about her, because if you do, you will be the one to leave this house. And I mean every beat of my word.
Me?
I'm serious.
You can
Brother.
always eat your cake and never
I saw you don't reach.
You can never be the winner all the time.
So also enter fire.
You can fool me so many times, but a question of time, the truth will come to light, No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the first one, one day you go cast. One day you go cast. Shebi you know say, guy man can never guy yo. You fit chop me once or twice, but last you go collect. No take love they play. Say I love you. No me say I be more good. Yeah. No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the first one, one day you go cast.
George, Kasala don't bust. We need to see you. You guys to show your face for this place. Start coming. George, no wait so. You smoke beans. George, you smoke beans. Just see, oh my goodness. You supposed to know say by now. Say I don't craze before. Say wait, say you deaf. And the time you said the papa when do the jazz don't die. Say even my boss, you don't like me again. If I tell him anything, because he can look in the school's face. Love don't even fail. Love don't die. I won't ever need the jazz now. Now you call them and say, I should come and pay for where? My thief can't pay you. So all this style I give you for waiting. All these styles are for where? Who does that?
You be like say you didn't misunderstand something for here. Have you forget yourself? Eh? You don't forget say me and you will get an agreement. You don't forget say that me initiate all these things when they happen. I brought you in to use you to defraud my friend. And the agreement was that whatsoever thing you get from him, 60 belongs to me and 40 belongs to you. What nonsense are you talking about? If you smoke weed, may you go give me my money now. The hell that I tell you. If you like, give me scissor style. If you like, give me monkey style. Any style where you like, give me. That is not my business. Give me my money.
You want your money? Come collect her. collect the money. Can't take him. See, man, stay here. If this one you don't say agreement, that one for your business. Now you cost. It's your business. If you say agreement, there is one start on give you pay me back. This is the first time you pay me back. No, you go pay back. See, you don't even think you won't knock Chris from body yesterday. Now you call in the poor and say I should pay.
As I did knock you don't enjoy it.
Enjoy waiting.
Eh?
What's your enjoy?
So you're not enjoying it.
Enjoy what?
You enjoyed it, I enjoyed it. That's not the agreement. The agreement is that 60-40.
Yeah.
You go there and give me my money.
Yeah. Come collect her now. Come take the money. Come take her now. You dey play.
Don't make me.
Who you dey vex from vex.
Frank, please, don't take this to heart. What you actually heard us saying is not what you're thinking.
Yes.
Please.
Please, it's the work of the devil. That man is a very bad man, I told you. Not a reason I work of devil. Oh, this devil is a bad person. What did they do? I beg, forgive us. I beg.
My guy.
I tell you that man a bad man. You say make us go to him.
Leave that man there. Leave there, apologize to him.
I beg. Now the work of the devil. Devil, I cause him. This devil wicked.
Franco.
Forgive us. Give me say don't forgive us. Eh?
Forgive us. I don't know.
You just kept up.
Hey,
You can always eat your cake and have it. You can never be the winner all the time. You can fool me so many times, but a question of time, the truth will come to light. No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the fast one, one day it go cast. One day it go cast. Shebi you know say, guy man can never guy a guy yo. You fit chop me once or twice, but last you go collect. No take love they play. Say I love you, no me say I be mugu. Yeah. No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the fast one, one day it go cast. One day it go cast. One day it go cast.
So, tell me, how was work?
Work is fine. Just a little stressful as usual.
So how was that deal? Tell me you pulled through.
We are almost there. We're getting there. But you, how have you been keeping up?
I've been fine. I've been so good, you know. I'm okay, thank God.
Obviously.
Is that my phone ringing?
Yeah, let me get it.
Oh, maybe. Oh, okay.
Talk of the devil.
Who is that? Frank. Why is he calling me? No, not after all he has done to me. I'm not going to pick his call. No, I won't pick his call. What? Why is he calling me?
What do I know if you don't answer his call?
No, I'm not going to pick his call. And don't even push me to answer his call. Because, you know what? Just forget about him. Let me go and get you something to eat. Let me cook something nice for you. Okay?
I'm here.
Hello. Good day, my brother. I've been trying to reach you. I don't know why you've not been taking my calls, but I need a favor from you, please. I want you to help me talk to my woman. Hello? 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 My beloved sister, how are you? I'm not fine. I'm not fine. I've been going through a lot. Please. You know you want the best for me. You know you want my happiness. Yes. I know I messed up. Okay, but it's just about my woman. Help me talk to her. I know she will listen to you. Please.
No, brother. So Julie is now your love again.
Please, I beg you with everything you hold so dear. Please, I need her back in my life. Please. Please.
Anything that concerns me, talking to Julie, I will not do it. I say count me out. My hands are off.
Daddy, hello? Sister hung up on me too. That means it's finished now. That means it's finished. My pastor.
You can always eat your cake and have it. You can never be the winner all the time. You can fool me so many times, but a question of time, the truth will come to light, No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the fast one, one day you go cast. One day you go cast. Shebi, you know, say.
Sincerely, I do not know why you both are doing this. Frank is old enough to take full responsibilities of his actions. He's not a child that you say he was misled or he's been misled. Honestly, me, I've moved on. And I would advise you to tell him to do the same.
Julie, Frank isn't entirely blaming anyone or trying to exclude himself here. But whatever it is, the truth remains that Frank still loves you. He loves you deeply.
See, My brother loves you.
Yes.
He does. We all make mistakes in life. You need to forgive him. If not for his sake, for my sake. For our sake. Find a place in your heart and forgive him. Please.
Like I said, I've moved on. Tell your brother to move on.
You can always eat your cake and have it.
Oh.
You can never be the winner all the time. You can fool me so many times, but a question of time, the truth will come to light, No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the fast one, but a question of time, the truth will come to light, No matter what you do, no matter how long you try to play the fast one.
As difficult as this may be to see, I couldn't move on without you. I still love you without you. And I want your happiness. I love you so much.
I love you more. I'm grateful to God. Everything happened and it happened for a reason. But I just want to know, do you still love me as you used to?
Yes, I love you, Frank. I love you so much. And I can't live without you. You like?
I like what?
You like your woman local, right?
Hey, babe. I see you don't understand. If you can recall what happened, if you can recall what pushed me into her arms was because of you not having time for us. It was you not dedicating your time, your love. It was never about being local or not. Of course, I love the way you dress, so classic. I love it. Now that you have time for us, now that you understand, at least doing your best to keep the home going, it's what I want. It's not about dressing, it's not about being local. As a matter of fact, it was not really what it was. You are my life, my joy, my everything. I love the way you dress. I've never ever complained about it. It's just your time and love. That's all I need. Okay?
Okay.
So go in there and dress like the woman I used to know.
Yes, my lord.
Come here.
Love you too. I'm coming. I'll be fast.
have to break, so that's basically what I'm going to do. When you remove this one, I'll break this.
No, let me break this one. I'll break this. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Trust my cooking, right?
All the time.
Yeah. I didn't do it spicy, just the way you like it.
There you go.
I want to feed you. Let me feed you. You know, I'm supposed to take care of you.
Now I'm supposed to be the one taking care of you,
I'm
actually.
supposed to give you food. That's what I'm doing. What is this?
I wouldn't have asked for a life partner without praying to God for a woman like you. You've shown me what kindness is. You've shown me what forgiveness is. You've taught me a lot in life. And I cannot be happy without you being by my side, without we doing this together. Today I want to ask, will you please marry me?
Yes. Put it well, put it well.
What bro? Welcome to the family. I love you.
You can always eat your cake and have it. You can never be the winner all the time. You can fool me so many times, but a question of time.